Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and today's video I'll be showing you how to create an Upscrolled account, right? So you all know the Upscrolled app. So what you need to do is you go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and first of all install the Upscrolled app. So once you go there, you click on install. Once installed, you open up the app just like this, and once opened you can see create account. So you start by imputing your name. So let me impute my name, Zaria Lisa, and I'm going to impute my email as well. So you wait for it to be verified, and then you put in your date of birth, January 9th. The part about this is the email actually going to take a while to actually get verified. Click on next. So we have to wait for the email to get verified, right? Pray it works out quickly. So let's keep waiting. Still wasting time. So you actually need to use a very good internet connection in order to create the Upscrolled app account, right? So once it's done, you can now click on next, and once you click on next, it's going to take you to the main account, the main app. You understand? If this guide was helpful, give us a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. In my next video. Bye.